here for our final presentation assembly of the year. We've got year 3 presentation assembly. As you can see, it's Friday, the 15th of July, 2022. We're here to celebrate all those children who've been amazing in year 3 throughout this year, actually. So you've got lots and lots of certificates, but at the end as well, we've got 2 videos. So Mrs. George, Mrs. Cook, Mrs. Robertson and Mr. Pinner have all got together to select one child from each class who has got the Child of the Year award for year 3 this year moving forward. So there's 2 videos to look forward to at the end of that as well. But not only that, we've got a whole raft of certificates to hand out to lots of amazing year 3s. We're going to kick off first of all and just look at the top 3 house points for that. So let's have a look at this first slide. Let's have a look. Look at Mrs. George's. Look, she's got Olivia on 143, Sky 147, and just ahead Nyla on 148. How close is it, Mrs. George's? Look at these 2, neck and neck. Amazing number of house points. You multiply those by 5 because you'll find out how many merits these children have earned throughout this year. Brilliant. So really, really well done. And then Mr. Pinner's, look at this. Similarly, look at the number. You've got Oliver, we've got Ebony, and we've got Rion. 168. Phenomenal. So well done, you 6. I know everyone's going to give you a massive cheers now as well. So really, really well done. Huge congratulations. And just keep earning those merits. When you get into year 4, keep earning those merits, keep earning those house points, and see if you can stay in the top 3 when you come to next presentation. So well done. Let's find out who's earned some certificates then. Look at Mrs. Cook and Mr. Roberts. Look at these math stars. Look at these mathematicians. What amazing smiles as well. Absolutely brilliant. So we've got Riley, we've got Tyler, we've got Rowan, we've got Logan, and we've got Marley. Been working so hard. The progress you guys have made in maths has been phenomenal this year. Absolutely brilliant. And lots of you have appeared on my proud wall as well throughout for your maths. So really well done. Enjoy taking your certificates home with you today, you superstars. Next, we have look at these English stars. Look at these. Hey, Lady, Lacey, Jacob, and Jordan. Look at you guys working so hard again in your English throughout this year, and you've made amazing progress. And again, we've seen you guys on the proud wall, I know, at a number of times. So really, really well done. Huge congratulations on earning your English certificates. Next, we have look at these reading stars. Look at these guys. Look, Jacob, Leah, Sky, and Rosie. Well done, guys. I know you've been reading every single day, and sometimes twice a day. It is phenomenal. Not only are you going to get a certificate, but you've got a reading book to take home to read over the summer as well. So huge congratulations. Really, really well done. Enjoy those certificates and those reading books over the summer. Well done. Next we have, look at these geography. Look at Esme and Robbie. Look at those beautiful smiles. Our geography stars. Look at Esme, Ruby, Esma, and Daisy. Look at that. Absolutely brilliant. Lovely smiles, guys. You should be smiling now. You're geography stars. So well done. What an amazing year 3 and what an amazing geography work you've done throughout this year as well. So huge congratulations. Well done. On to our next set, which are scientists. Look at these scientists. Look, Leland's getting there, really smelling. Looks like mint there. Hey, look brilliant. So we've got Rosie, we've got Ramin, Paul, and Dorcas working so hard at science throughout this year as well. And I know Mrs. Cook loves science as well, and I know these children have loved it as well, and they've worked so hard throughout this year, not just this term, but throughout this year on all of their science. So well done, guys. Huge congratulations. Enjoy taking your certificates home with you today, you superstars. Our next set are history stars. Look at these historians already as well. Look, to be evacuated. Look at them. So we've got Jackson, we've got Evie, we've got Nala, we've got Olivia, and we've got Bo. Look at you guys, big smile. Look, you look so smart for your trip to Gresson Hall. It was amazing. Look at you guys. And I know you've loved your history as well throughout this term as well, and last as well. So really well done. Huge congratulations. On to, look, our PE stars. Look out. We've got some PE stars here. And these guys, I know they may be smelling flowers there, but Casper and then Ramya have been amazing at their PE and had a brilliant sports day as well. But not only in their PE and their games, break times and lunch times, you'll see them. They're so active. They run about non-stop. So huge congratulations to you 2. You are Mrs. Cook and Miss Robertson's PE stars. So well done. Enjoy taking your certificates home with you today, superstars. On to Mr. Pinner. Look at Mr. Pinner and his scientists. Look at these scientists. Look, we've got Alex, we've got Cooper, we've got Jake, we've got Mia, and we've got Lee. Being amazing scientists throughout this year, and they've loved science as well. So well done to you guys. Enjoy taking your certificate home with you today, superstars. Next, we have Mr. Pinner's historians. Look at these historians. Look, so we've got Benita, we've got Luna, we've got Rebecca, we've got Rion, and we've got Charlie. And I know these guys really did love their trip as well. They really did as well. So well done. And just keep being inquisitive about history as well, because you know, brilliant general knowledge, you guys. So really well done. Enjoy taking your certificates home today, superstars. onto our reading stars. Here they are. Look, thumbs up, Oliver. Absolutely, buddy. Because you guys not only are getting a certificate, you get a reading book to take home to read over the summer holidays. So we've got Oliver, we've got Ebony, we've got Muntaha, and we've got Rion. And these guys are reading twice a day. Every single day. And they will be doing that over the summer holidays as well. So everyone, please, just be reading over the summer. Because it's the easiest thing to do. So well done. And well done, you four. Really proud of you. Well done. Next, we have our geography stars. Look at this. We've got Alfie, we've got Gabby, we've got Perla, Lilith, and Luke being our geographers, okay? Working so hard on geography throughout this year. They really have with their map skills. Look at this compass skills as well. So really well done, guys. Enjoy taking your certificates home today, you superstars. And Mr. Pinners, look, our English stars. Now look, you should see some of the English as well that's going on in those photos. We've got Daria, we've got Ebony, we've got Charlie, Mia May, and Omo working so hard. And the progress you guys have made in English is phenomenal as well. So really, really well done. Omo, amazing, buddy. So well done. Amazing, amazing progress. Guys, enjoy taking your certificates home today. You absolute English superstars. Well done. Our PE stars, look, these guys are really physically active and had a fantastic sports day. They really have. We've got Esme, we've got Mia May, we've got Levi, we've got George, and we've got Gabia. Well done, guys. It's a fantastic, not only PE and games, break and lunchtimes, you'll see them. They're running about non-stop. They really are. They're really, really physically active. And just keep it up over the summer holidays as well. Keep being fit. Keep doing lots of running, cycling, whatever that is, and keep yourselves fit. Well done. Our maths, look at these mathematicians. Look at Gino, look, a big smile on his face. So we've got Gino, we've got Mason, we've got Cece, we've got Ebony, and we've got Michael. Absolute superstar. They are superstar mathematicians. And they've been working so hard as well on their times tables. They really have, these guys. So really well done. Enjoy taking your maths certificates home with you today, superstars. Here we are, finally, as I mentioned right at the beginning, our Year 3 Child of the Year. So we've got 2 videos here for 2 children in each class, a Child of the Year, who's been amazing at all of those subjects. At every single day they have been at school as well. It's been phenomenal. So let's kick off and let's watch this little video now.
This year has been so busy in Year 3, and you have all adapted so well to being in school all the time and being upstairs in Key Stage 2. I can't believe how quickly it's gone. Probably because we have been so busy learning new things and especially going on trips again. Let's look at some of the things we have done this year in Year 3. It has been so difficult to choose just one child of the year. Let's hear some reasons why they've been chosen.
This child has a great attitude to learning and always goes above and beyond.
This child has impressed me so much. I haven't been in the classroom long, but I have been so impressed by their enthusiasm for learning and their love of books. My goodness, this child eats books for breakfast. She's amazing.
The Child of the Year this year is a great example of a Year 3 child. They are kind, friendly and interested in absolutely everything. They ask questions, join in and continue their learning at home. They work so hard and their work is always an absolute pleasure to read and look at. A huge well done to our Child of the Year this year 2022, Nala. Nala, you have been a pleasure to teach this year. All the Year 3 staff have enjoyed getting to know you and see you blossom in our school. Well done.
Nala, there she is, look at that, what a beautiful smile. And look at these amazing, you are amazing. What an amazing Year 3 you have had. It is brilliant, well done. As you can see, 6 SCR 2022 Child of the Year for Year 3. And all these amazing things that are said about you because you are amazing. What an amazing Year 3 you have had. And I'm sure you'll be just the same when you get into Year 4. So really well done. I'm so proud of you. Thank you for Mr. Allen for being at Marlcross Primary School because you are a beautiful child. So thank you so much for everything you've done throughout this year and the progress you've made is phenomenal. You'll have a little shield and certificate to take home with you as well. So huge congratulations. Well done. So we'll move on to Mr. Pinner's Child of the Year.
This young lady has a wonderful working attitude. She aspires to do her very best in all her lessons. She is an absolute credit to the class. It's been amazing to see her grow.
Disappeared. He felt so foolish and he forgot to turn off at the next corner to go rather long way. He ended up walking right past the gap.
Once upon a time, there was a poor fisherman called Peter.
This child is an absolute asset to the class and everyone appreciates the contribution that she gives in everything that she does. In the morning she gets in and gives me a look to say that she is ready for the day. She then gives me another look to make sure that I'm ready to teach. All of her work is beautifully presented and her writing is like what we might expect from someone in Year 6. She's an excellent mathematician, but what makes her stand out is her kind and helpful personality that puts everyone at ease. She's the calm in the chaos, the serenity in the storm, and an absolute joy to teach. Our Child of the Year is Daria Rods.
Daria, there she is. Look at that. Well done, Daria. What an amazing year you have had as well. Look at this. Absolutely. What an asset. Not only asset to your class, but to Marlcross Primary School as well. So really well done. Huge congratulations on getting Mr. Pinner's Child of the Year. You have been amazing every single day and the progress you've made again is outstanding. So really, really well done. Huge congratulations. Keep working as hard when you get into year 4 because you have had an amazing, amazing year. Really, really well done. I know Mr. Pinner has really enjoyed teaching you throughout this year, so really well done. Enjoy taking your shield and your certificate home with you today, you superstar. Well done. On to, finally, here we go, look. School closes for summer holidays, Tuesday, 19th July 2022 at 3:15. It certainly does. We've only got 2 more days, so Monday and Tuesday next week, and we all close ready for the summer holidays. And you can see right up to Tuesday. So really looking forward to the last 2 days of term. As well as that, a note for your diary, parents. You can see back to school, look, Monday, 5th of September 2022. Yes, not all schools in Norfolk are back on that Monday. We've had our 2 inset days on Thursday and Friday previously, but we are back, all the children are back on Monday, the 5th of September 2022, the gates will be open at 8:30 to welcome you all in. So please do make a note of that. There's no inset day on that Monday. We are all in school and school is open. Please, until then, have a wonderful and very, very safe summer holiday. Until then, everyone, we will see you then. Bye-bye now.